Welcome, Standard 11th Science students, subject Mathematics, paper 2nd, lesson number 9, Differentiation. Continue numericals for derivative of standard functions. Second function is derivative of trigonometric functions. Students, all of you are familiar about the trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Here we calculate derivative for a function fx as a sine x using first principle. Value for x replaced by x plus h, small increment value. F of x plus h is getting sine of x plus h. By formula of first principle derivative, f dash of x is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx divided by h. Substitute values. F of x plus h is sine of x plus h, fx is sine of x. Next step, formula applicable here, sine c minus sine d, factorization. Second formula, 2 times of cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2, where c means x plus h, angle d consider as x. Applied. Check in the calculation part here. X plus x, 2 times x plus h divided by 2, and in next one plus x minus x cancel, remaining is h by 2. That is addition answer, 2 times of cos 2x plus h by 2 sine of h by 2. 2x plus h divided by 2 as it is taken, h is divided to the sine function, and h by 2 expressed as half h. Taken limit separate for both the functions. Limiting formula is known, sine of theta divided by theta. Limit theta tends to 0 is always 1. If k multiple is given, answer is directly k. That is constant. Limiting answer is half of 10. And here if you put directly h equal to 0, getting answer 2x divided by 2 become 2x divided by 2, that is x. So 2 cos x into half, 2 cancel, remaining is cos x. So f dash of x is obtained, cos x, expressed as derivative of sine x is a cos x. Check formula. Derivative of logarithmic function. Function fx expressed as a log x. To find out its derivative, consider incrementary value as a h, x variable replaced by x plus h. You will get f of x plus h as a log of x plus h. Then by first principle of derivative, f dash of x is obtained by f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Fx plus h value is log of x plus h. Function fx value is log x. Substitute. Then rules of logarithm you can apply. Log of subtraction change to log of divisions, expressed as log of x plus h divided by x. In numerator, divide x separate to both the terms, getting value log of 1 plus 1 by x into h divided by h. Then formula of limit is applicable, log of 1 plus constant into h divided by h, where h tends to 0, limiting answer is constant, that is here 1 by x. Hence limiting answer is 1 by x. F dash of x value obtained 1 by x, that is derivative of log x, answer is 1 by x, expressed as d by dx of log x equal to 1 upon x. Next function, derivative of exponential function. Function fx expressed as a raised to power x. A is a base, a value is not equal to 1, and a is greater than 0, remember. So increment value, x replaced by x plus h, f of x plus h is equal to a raised to power x plus h. Then by first principle of derivative, f dash of x is expressed as limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx divided by h. Substitute value of f of x plus h as a raised to power x plus h and fx value a raised to x. Denominator h as it is. Numerator a raised to x plus h, we can use here indices rules. It can be expressed as a raised to x multiplied a raised to h. Then a raised to x can be taken common from numerator, both the terms. Remaining a raised to h, nothing means minus 1. Limit is in terms of variable h. So a raised to power x consider as a constant and take it as outside the limit. Therefore, a raised to x multiplied limit h tends to 0, a raised to h minus 1 by h. Then you are familiar with this limiting formula. Its limiting answer is log a. Therefore, a raised to x multiplied log a value for a f dash of x. Hence, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x multiplied log a. Same type for exponential function expressed as a fx is equal to e raised to power x. Calculating its derivative using first principle, e is an irrational number. Increment value x replaced by x plus h, f of x plus h is equal to e raised to power x plus h. Applying first principle definition for a derivative, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx divided by h. F of x plus h value e raised to x plus h. Fx value e raised to x. Divide h as it is. Applying indices rule, same as the previous sum, e raised to x plus h expressed as e raised to x multiplied e raised to h. E raised to x can be taken common from both the terms, remaining e raised to h minus 1. Limit for variable h tends to 0. E raised to x considered as a constant, take outside a limit. Then limiting formula for e raised to h minus 1 divided by h log e, that is 1. So limiting answer is 1 here, log e value. F dash of x is obtained e raised to x. Hence, derivative of e raised to x function same as it is e raised to x. So in this session, you have learned derivative of standard functions using first principle.